What's going on, guys? Nick here, back with another video, and in today's video I want to talk about Type-C and what it holds in the future, and is this a good step towards the future if you're using Type-C cables only. Let's talk about this in today's video. And if you're new to the channel, welcome. I do tech content, unboxing and reviews, and if you're into those stuff, please consider subscribing down below and ring that notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. So with all that said, let's jump on into this video. Alright, many companies have moved away from micro USB cable because it's just too slow. USB Type-C is the way to go. You can charge your phone in less than 15 minutes and it can hold it throughout the day or something like that, but using a macro cable will take much more time because it's so slow, and many people nowadays is moving away from it because they can use the USB Type-C cable to charge much faster and it saves more time. So if you forgot to charge your phone in the night before you head to work in the morning and you wake up and see like 5% of juice in your phone and you're like, what? Oh, am I going to get out with this? You can just grab your Type-C cable, give it like 5 minutes of juice, and then you're off like with maybe 40% or 50%. But using a micro USB cable will take much more time because it's so slow, and many people nowadays, especially like tech person, are not focusing on using a micro USB cable because why would someone that interested in technology or maybe something like that would use a slow charger to charge your devices, especially when you're doing filming? You know, you want to have your devices charged up to grab and go or film any content you're doing. So an average person right now would maybe use the micro USB cable because maybe their phone doesn't have a Type-C port. Maybe that's the only option they have, but using a Type-C cable is the way to go because it's reversible, so you can use any end to charge your phone, so you don't have to be looking at the tip and saying which side go to this side or something like that. You just plug and go. It doesn't matter which end you use. So yeah, and it charges like twice faster than the micro USB cable, so you don't have to worry about that, especially when you team this up with maybe like the 18-watt charger that Apple brings with the new iPhones, or maybe your MacBook Pro charger, which is a 60-watt charger. You know you will get so much juice in time, so you don't have to worry about your device charging slow because it's a Type-C cable with maybe a 18 or 60-watt USB adapter. So yeah, this is very convenient because you don't have to spend a lot of time waiting for your phone to juice up, and I can see this being the future of iPhones or Samsung or LG. Many companies right now is definitely moving away from micro USB, and I think this will serve others well. Even those who don't know about technology, they will see the difference between a micro USB cable and a Type-C cable for sure, because it's a major difference. So using both end on this charger is great. You don't have to worry about breaking this. It's easy to use, easy to plug in, so a normal person who don't have to worry about plugging in their phone and plugging it in the wrong way or something like that. So yeah, it's a great step into the future, and I wish the iPhone 13 will be getting USB Type-C charging because it's been a while since we're asking for this. And please Apple, please let this iPhone 13 bring USB Type-C charging. So yeah, that's just my take on this USB Type-C charging and what it holds in the future, and I know many others will agree with this. So yeah, that's just my thought on this. If you haven't subscribed already, please hit that subscribe button down below and ring that notification bell so you guys get notified whenever I upload a new video. And yeah, that's all I have to say. I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.